Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the controller is detected. This matters because the game reads input from a recognized device. Once detected, open the game's control settings or Steam's controller configuration to begin remapping. Do not waste time toggling unrelated options. Focus on the input list. Select the physical control you want to change, then assign the in-game action. Make sure to test basic inputs before deeper tweaks so you don't compound mapping errors. Once you've selected a control to change, assign the new button or axis and explain why that choice improves play, faster access, ergonomic comfort, or consistent timing. Make sure to set axis dead zone and sensitivity so analog sticks respond predictably. Tiny dead zones reduce drift, larger values avoid accidental input. If the game doesn't accept your device, use X360C or DS4 Windows to emulate an X input controller. Then run the in-game practice mode to verify timing, adjusting settings iteratively until responses match expectations. To finish, save the new control profile inside the game or Steam and export a backup profile so you can restore settings quickly. Make a keyboard fallback for critical actions to avoid being locked out during competition play. If something breaks, first reboot the game and reconnect the controller, then reinstall drivers or use an input wrapper like X360C. If detection still fails, try a different USB port or cable. One key troubleshooting tip: test the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.